Hello from a very windy Lake District. It's not windy at all. That's just for Carl. Yeah, hang on to that guy line, Danny. Hang on to it. Yeah, I'm being blown over. Right, no, anyway, it's not that windy. So we're all set up at Side Farm campsite on the edge of Ullswater. Got some friendly sheep with us, and that's the lake over there. So we're going to go and have a mosey on down in that direction to launch the boats. Just like being at the beach, isn't it? Right, let's get these boats set up. Right, we're on the water. We are on the water. As you can tell, it's quite windy, so we might not be going too far. Right, where are we going? There's a couple of islands as well to have a scout around too. A little bit of chop slap on the go. Going into a bit of a breeze. It's not a bad breeze. A couple of sailing boats out and about. The paddle steamers are out as well. So there's plenty of water activity going on. Tell you one thing, I'm really enjoying this little Seago boat. It's just flipping rock solid. Absolutely rock solid. Bit choppy round here. Ooh, hey! Got a bounce on. Looks like Danny's going for the rope. He's got the rope. Swing on it. Looks like we've got some professionals in the distance. A sailing boat. Looks like somebody's been camping here. Be a nice little place for a wild camp here, I think. Disclaimer for everyone watching this: you probably won't understand any of it because I'm doing quite a lot of this as a bit of a wind up for Carl, more than just a cleaner. Link in description. You probably already know him. If you watch me, you will watch him, no doubt. You won't watch me and not him. Oh, there's some good ones coming here. Whee! Whoa! Fucking hell. Oh, that was violent. I don't actually know where we are. Well, the steamers are over there, and there's the trio of boats. Oh, you can't take me anywhere. Make a fool of myself. Make a fool, he says. A fool.
I reckon once it float on that bit, we can start skegging it.
So how could you not like a view like that? What a place this is. It's an absolutely lovely Lake District. It's just stunning. I think that little island over there is Norfolk Island, I think. You may or may not see the enemy. Swans. Right, so we're going to bob around for a bit more. It is very wavy actually when you look at it. So you just a nice little bob around, have a look around this island I think, see what's going on. Morning, back on the water again. We've been joined by Mark this morning, which is always nice to see him. So we're back on the water, about 8:30, 9 o'clock now, so it's lovely and calm. We're just going to go for a bit of a paddle.
Get off my land!
Help. It's the other one that makes a bigger wash, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh well.
These are the cool ones.
What a lovely little spot to camp on this island. It's one of the reasons why I enjoy kayaking. You get to see places like this little tiny island in the middle of this Ullswater, where no one else would be able to get on this. It's just ace. I mean, look, I don't know if the camera will see it. Look how crystal clear the water is around there. You can see all the rocks and everything for a good sort of 50, 60 yards going into the lake. It's just stunning. Absolutely love this place. Oh, there's loads up there, look. Yeah? Yeah.
Oh, loads in the trees,
There is.
the gate's for, isn't it?
Yeah, it stops them coming into our camp and paddle area. A few rocks knocking about in the middle here, making a bit of an island. There's some form of fruit tree on it as well, which is weird. Strange how life just exists on these little rock islands. Can you get through that gap, Michael? Too shallow. Too shallow. He's through. Come on, you bitch. Oh, camera's gone. I'm through. I'm through. I think. Oh, no. Success. This is a cool little bit. More high quality footage from rough paddling. Some big waves here. Bloody hell. Fucking Nora. Jesus. Right, so I've just stopped off. We've got sun behind me, so you can't see me, that's better. Right, so I've just stopped off on a little island here. Well, not an island, a little shingly, pebbly, beachy bit, which is a beautiful main private area. I've just stopped for a comfort refreshment break. So the guys are over there messing about. I'm going to get back into the dry suit and we'll carry on for a little bit more. I wasn't a massive fan of those massive waves, but they were about 1.5 feet flipping high. So yeah, anyway, we shall progress on and see what we find. couple of paddle boarders to the right of screen. On our way to a little boathouse or shingle beachy area. There's some odd construction noise going on here as well. Nice skipper of that boat gave us a wave when he slowed down to us.
Baby ones these, look.
Yeah, did he want? I like them, they're fun. That's a fun little wave. None of this stupid up and down 2 or 3 feet. Just lovely round here.
Ooh.
Lovely round here, isn't it?
Yeah. They're quite good ones, them.
They're not bad. Not a bad set of waves. Right, so we're not far away from the campsite launch point now, so we'll get back to van, have some lunch, and do as we please. Probably go out for another paddle again in the evening. Just a chilled out time, really. That's all we're here for. No point pushing yourself. Chill out, have a bit of fun.